AirPods Pro 3 compatibility issues with Microsoft Teams primarily revolve around microphone input and Bluetooth connectivity. Users frequently encounter problems where Teams fails to detect the AirPods Pro 3's built-in microphones, defaulting to system audio instead. These issues are rooted in the interoperability differences between Apple's Bluetooth protocols, including the AAC codec and spatial audio features, and Microsoft's Teams ecosystem, which uses standard Bluetooth profiles like HSP for mono audio and A2DP for stereo. While firmware updates from both Apple and Microsoft have addressed some bugs, persistent problems include audio lag, intermittent disconnections, and one-sided sound, especially in high-latency environments. Ensuring your AirPods are properly paired via Windows Bluetooth settings is crucial. Disconnecting and reconnecting can often resolve synchronization problems. To resolve microphone issues, first manually select your AirPods Pro 3 as the microphone input in Teams settings under Settings, Devices, Audio Devices. Enable the Automatically Adjust Microphone Settings option to prevent Teams from overriding your AirPods selection. Update your Bluetooth drivers through Device Manager on Windows to ensure proper AirPods compatibility. Disable any conflicting audio services such as Realtek or Nahimic, which can interfere with your AirPods Bluetooth connection. Keep your devices updated by checking for Apple firmware updates and Teams app updates through their respective stores. For basic troubleshooting, reset your AirPods by holding the case lid open and pressing the Setup button, forget the device in Bluetooth settings, and restart your computer or phone. As an advanced step, switch to a wired connection temporarily or relocate to an area with reduced Wi-Fi interference to minimize Bluetooth drops. If problems continue, reach out to Apple or Microsoft support for specialized help with your setup.